How do you describe these expressions? Try it again at the end of the video. You can do it. We'll do synonyms of interest. Rivet, engross, intrigue, fascinate, captivate with Sapna Narayan, your English confidence building coach and Ethereal Learning, your English confidence building stop. Rivet. Apple company knows how to rivet the world's attention by constantly releasing upgraded mobiles. The coach has the ability to rivet the attention of his team by giving a pep talk like no other. The World Cup cricket matches always manage to rivet the country. We can rivet the children with a magic show while the parents have the meeting. Engross. Mahesh and Anu were engrossed in their project discussion till late evening. Be alert. Don't be too engrossed in your party that you don't hear your father honking. Hopefully, the keys will engross the baby for a while. The movie got a poor review as it could not engross the audience. Intrigue. The royal palace was filled with intrigue. Sharmishta weaves a complicated plot of romance and intrigue. Dolan tells fairy tales in a way that it can intrigue the kids. The movie was an exciting story of political intrigue and murder. Fascinate. Patricia has a fascinating personality. The idea of the reunion in Goa fascinates me always. The fascinating story of the royalty was not well portrayed in the book. The rainbow never fails to fascinate me. Captivate. The captivating eyes of Dimple are by far the most attractive feature of a beautiful face. The captivating charm of Shah Rukh Khan was irresistible. They tried to captivate the ambitious fancy of the king. The intricacies of Indian monuments have always captivated the tourists world over. Now can you? Do suggest words for the next video in your comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.